Sounds like a big dog. Oh, yeah, he's in Newfoundland, huh? It looks like it. Looks like Gina's old dog. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, come on, what's going on, puppy? Probably lives right here.
I think that was the bear.
Oh yeah, it's definitely the bear. He kind of, does he look like that? Looks like there's a Saint Bernard in the background. Do they look similar? I mean, the backyard?
When I saw him earlier today.
The black dog was? Okay. Probably lives here. We shoot him in his own. Shoot him in his. I know. That probably just scared Steve.
I'll tase him first.
Okay.
Tase in his front yard. Remember, when you go to tase them sideways.
Okay.
Steve over there looking the fence.
Whoa, 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 dog! You pissed him off. Okay.
But there is a St. Bernard in the backyard. I think he's trying to figure out how to back.
Yeah.
Probably this one, because that's the garden. The fence is kind of jury-rigged on the one side. It looks like some of it's falling apart.
Trying to get a good close-up.
Maybe enough.
So I could probably tase him from this side of the fence because he wants to come over, but shoot, he's in his yard.
But
What do we have? There's no neighbor, but there might be on the next street over that would know if this dog lives here. So why would it go down and hang out in that driveway if it didn't live here? Hate to kill him in his own yard.
well, he charges us.
Yeah, I'm trying to think best place to shoot him.
In the head. He charges straight at you. We just shoot him in the head. Shoot him too. If you're over there, I'm over here. We'll just shoot him like that.
There's Steve.
Behind us. Unfortunately, the glass is gonna break.
Well, and that's just it. Not good backdrop.
We don't know. We'd like to believe nobody's in the house, but we don't know for sure.
Imagine they'd hear.
Yeah.
I think he belongs here.
Problem is, we can't let him continue running out the street because somebody's gonna swerve.
Yeah,
and
it's going to
we'll
cause
get
an
oncoming
accident.
Traffic, and then we'll get blamed because we were out there. Camera still on?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, it's flash.
Oh, maybe it is still on. Let me call Jan. You crossed that line.
He's foaming at the mouth.
Cross that line.
Why is he foaming at the mouth?
Thirsty or aggressive or rabid.
He's a rabid dog.
So which of you guys is faster?
Hey Jan, sorry to bug you. Yeah, if it lives here. Hey, give me a call on my cell, 206. Thanks, Jan. So there's no neighbors over there. There's nobody lives here. Here he comes. Whoa, 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 whoa! Here he comes! got lethal. Yeah, but we gotta get the come along ready. Because if we're gonna tase him, we're getting ready to tase him, Steve. I'm not gonna be able to get him there, no way. Fuck. That didn't work. Reload, here he comes. This dude's fucking big. His coat's too thick, Dom.
Not back here anymore, is he?
No, he's not. Watch him double back.
He's gonna get it again.
Nope. Here's coming around your front.
Information took away units of building auto set support cell center mall. Or I'll get that one off. That's the one I'm on now.
I tased him again, didn't work. The taser didn't work. I tried to see if maybe I could at least. I got a really good right out through the window. It's a perfect place to shoot him.
Unless there's a hole in there, he's back in the bushes.
Stuck back there. Take it out. Right in that right
In there?
If you can, Mike, when you have a chance, knock on the door like this.
Yeah, it worked just like Dom's did. I tased him right on the side and God, I hate to shoot back towards these houses. Right. If I can shoot from...
There's a blue house right over there.
I can't see him. I think it's either in the bushes.
House right back here, and there's some people in a truck back over there.
Yeah, I don't know. That's behind the.
If I can shoot him from up here, I can shoot down on him, but... I think he must have made it over the fence or through the fence. There's a lady in her.
She called dog. Yeah.
Too many people. I am out of a taser cartridge. You got an extra cartridge I can... Thanks. So is that the lady too?
We can't find her. I just saw her walking.
Should have just shot him on the side. These people are up in their backyard.
Yeah, we need him to go inside.
Yeah, because they're just, and they got a little kid here too.
If he charges me again, I'll just tase him. He didn't like the tase.
Man,
Not like that.
did not, it made it twice. I got him through the passenger window. Did you you saw it?
Nice. Next taser class, you gotta talk about that for
Did
me.
you get it on tape?
I think so. No, I was too far behind you. When I rolled up, you were pulling your lines back in.
We threw a couple. You think he made it through there?
What?
I wonder if there's a hole in the fence here. You've got the little dog out there.
Oh, he could have made it through that cheesy little fence, Mike.
This-
That's
this-
a cheesy little fence. Oh, he does like to run. Oh, man.
So this dog,
Right.
if it comes over the fence, we know our dog's right in there. Who's he saying it's where?
Tell us which yard.
He's saying it's over here.
Yeah, we should hear a loud boom.
Come around to this side. The dog is stuck in the blackberry bushes back here.
Oh, perfect.
Okay. Hopefully we won't run
We're
back
gonna get him out.
this way. We'll tase him. So glad he's coming out.
Hi. Good. Oh, it's walkover, huh? All right, Dom, tase him.
I'll tase him. Bring him out.
Okay, perfect. So the taser,
Just to let you know, I'm gonna tase him. He's gonna run like hell, and then he's gonna get shot.
so the taser is going to scare the heck out of him.
It's really
Oh, these people have a little kid and everything.
Can we ask them to take everybody inside and get
Whoop, whoop.
Hey, buddy.
They have a little kid,
Let's
by the
scoot
way.
him back.
Oh, there he is. I can get a shot on him right there.
Oh.
Ready?
Drop. Nice. Hey, down. Back to the running.
It was funny, the first 2 shots, he didn't whimper.
I know. The third one, how do you come back?
Well, and
Have you guys seen big black dog running around? Do you know whose it is? They're saying it's back here in this yard. Yeah, he's been trying to.
so the taser is going to scare the heck out of him.
He gets really angry. I'm like really angry. Can we ask them to take your inside?
They have a little.
Put him back.
Okay.
Oh, there he is. Right here.
Oh yeah, there he is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
Nice.
Dude. Yeah.
Lay it back. There you go. Several.
Charging people down the road. And
Oh,
then we
several people?
and then
Yeah.
when we tried to go get him, he came after us.
Yeah,
We've been chasing him for a while.
I
Did he
saw.
have
Yeah, I
his
saw
tags
in the
on him?
corner.
Did he belong to somebody?
We don't
Not
have
that
any
we can
idea.
find.
Nobody can get that close to him.
I think all tasing him?
No,
Oh, we
shot him.
tried. That didn't work. He's too big.
Yeah, I saw you try to tase him. I was like, holy shit.
Yeah.